Hi, welcome. Today I'll be presenting the module for Foundry that I created to play Raven uh, in in Foundry using Custom System Builder. In the description you'll find the links to the GitHub to find all this information about the installation and how to create the characters and everything that we're showing in this video. So let's start. First, let me go to the top. We'll have to install the manifest using this URL in Foundry. First, we go to add-on modules, install module. We wait for it to load. We put here the URL that we copied from the GitHub and we install it. Okay, now that it's installed, we see that we have the custom system builder installed, and if not, we find it here and we install it as any other system. We can go to game walls, create the wall, even just English. We select the custom system builder system and we create the wall. We can go there. We go inside the wall and now we go to manage modules. We look for Raven, the English one. You can, if you have the Dice on Ice module, you can put it on also, so you can see the dice. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is put there the CSS styles. We go here, we copy this root, oops, sorry, spoiler. We go to configure settings, custom system builder, and we put it here in CSS file, style file. We also, if we want, can put here dice to show an icon of dice when in the elements that can be clicked to roll the dice, and the initiative formula we can leave it like that, or well, there's no initiative in this game. We save changes, and now we have to reload, so the styles changes, as you can see, have worked. Now we can go to the compendium packs. We only have one compendium. We have to import all the content with keep documents IDs. Always select this, please. And yes. Now if we go to the actors tab, we can see the templates. We have three for the characters, the corpus characters, the non-corpus characters, and the spectral beings. We can start creating a corpus character. We can name it Conrad Corvus, for example. Okay, we have this blank. Now we select the template, the CC template. We click on the reload button, and we have here the sheet of the character to fill. First, we have the concept. Here you have all the basic concepts, and when you select one, the actions appear. You can activate them. Here you have all the personalities. The only thing that will be rolling, we can put here the numbers, etc. Here 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then in this first tab you have the personality and actions, also your cures. All this you can fill with whatever you are ordered to fill it. In the case of sisters and brothers, you have this here. You can modify it. No problem. You help Jonathan. Okay, the cursed loved one, the same. You can put here the conflict. As you get clues for your mystery, you can put them there. Okay, next up we have magic and after effects. Here we have the cursed magic art, the actions that we can take, and the sacrifices we will be doing to do these actions. Also, we have the magic power circle, so we'll be going up this. Whoops. The mental after effects, the 4 we can have, the physical after effects, the same, the 4. Problems that threaten you, help you out, other pending twists. Here you can add more information to your cursed magic art if you want from the book. Also, you have to fill this with wherever you think your magic art, the personality that's used to, the initiation trauma, etc. And then we finally have the paths and circles. In the paths to the mist and path, the learning path, you can go filling this up. When you fill one of these, you can select a type of magic and a cursed effect. And the same for each one. These ones are predefined, the larvae and mist. In the learning path, once you fill all these checkboxes using this information, you can have an advance. Here you can click it and nothing happens, but if you click one of the new art, if you pass your initiation, you will see in the magic and after effects that disappears here. So you can input here the art that you have acquired with the advancement. If you unclick it, it disappears. What else? Here we have information about your ballet, your laboratory, your library, and the nervous object with the default object you have depending on your concept. That will change if you change the concept. And your social cycle. You can modify it here and keep adding the people and your relation to them. Okay, that's more or less all. Well, you can see if I change the concept, this changes, and other things in here. The magic art also changes. Okay, next one. We can create Lord Usher here as a non-Corvus character. Here we only have these fields to add information. It has magical arts. This appears here. If it has relations with the order, you can fill it there. And it's only to have this information. If you want to have the tokens in the map or something, or if you use a module like the theater one that shows the images of the characters in the canvas. But it can be useful for the master to keep track of the non-playing characters, non-Corvus characters in this case. Then we can have a Spectre, for example, and the same as the non-Corvus character, we have the appearance, particularities, etc. that you can fill here, and that's all. If we go to, well, if you want to see the results of well, when you roll the dice, for example, we want to roll the dice for creative, we get this dialog where you can decide how many Corvus dice we want. For the default is the number that you have in this personality, how many missed dice, and if there's dense mist. We can add, for example, 3 missed dice. We roll, and here you can see the results. We have 3 cats and a raven, so 1 raven and 1 cat go out, and we have 2 positive results, so it's a favorable twist. If we had, let's say, 5 missed dice, here you can see one cat only eats one of the ravens, so we have a -2. It's a tenebrous twist. And if we had, let's say, this, they eat each other, so we have a twist with complications. And let's see if we can see this with the dense mist. With the dense mist, you need 2 cats to eliminate the effects of 1 raven. In this case, it's not the best example. Let's try again. Okay, here the two cats eliminated the single raven, so it's a 0. If we had, for example, 4, let's see. Okay, here this one, as it's only 1, can no longer eliminate one of the ravens, so we have a -3. And that's all, and just what I showed before, we can have this as a result of one of our characters with everything filled in, magic, and with some modules like the portrait, no, the chat portrait, sorry. You can have the image of your character up here. You can have all the other types of characters, so Rufus, and you can use them for tokens like this, for example, if you want. Well, he's here, and this one's here, and the apparition was here. So that's all. I hope you like this module and find it useful. If you have any suggestions or you find any problems using it, let me know in the comments, and I'll ask the questions as soon as I can. Thank you.